Hack 1. Keep bananas fresh longer. Wrap the stems of bananas with plastic wrap. This slows down the release of ethylene gas and keeps them fresh for days longer. Hack 2. No more onion tears. Put onions in the freezer for 10 minutes before cutting. It cools the gases and helps prevent your eyes from getting irritated. Hack 3. Peel garlic instantly. Place garlic cloves in a jar. Close the lid and shake hard. The skins come off on their own, no mess, and no smell on your fingers. Hack 4. Reheat pasta. Without drying it, add a glass of water to the microwave while reheating pasta. The steam keeps it moist and fresh, no more rubbery noodles. Hack 5. Freeze herbs in olive oil. Chop fresh herbs, pour olive oil over them in an ice cube tray, and freeze. Now you have ready-to-use flavor bombs for cooking anytime. Hack 6. Keep brown sugar soft. Put a marshmallow or a slice of bread in the container. It stops brown sugar from getting too hard. Hack 7. Use a wooden spoon to stop boilovers. Place a wooden spoon across the top of a boiling pot. It breaks bubbles and prevents spills before they happen. Hack 8. Quickly ripen bananas. Need ripe bananas fast? Bake them at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. They'll turn soft and sweet, perfect for banana bread. Hack 9. Clean your blender in seconds. Fill it halfway with warm water and dish soap. Blend for 20 seconds and rinse. Done. Hack 10. Cut cherry tomatoes fast. Place them between 2 lids and slice across. You'll cut 10 at once, perfectly and evenly. Hack 11. Keep ice cream soft. Store ice cream in a zip bag inside the freezer. It stops it from getting rock hard. Hack 12. Test egg freshness. Drop the egg into a glass of water. If it sinks, it's fresh. If it floats, toss it. Hack 13. Reheat pizza without sogginess. Place a cup of water in the microwave while reheating pizza. The crust stays crispy, not chewy. Hack 14. Keep lettuce crisp longer. Wrap lettuce in paper towels and seal it in a zip bag. It absorbs moisture and keeps it crunchy. Hack 15. Use muffin trays for topping. Serving tacos or burgers. Use a muffin tray for all the toppings. It's organized and easy to clean. Hack 16. Stop cutting boards slipping. Put a damp paper towel or kitchen cloth underneath your cutting board. This helps prevent it from sliding while you chop, keeping things safe and steady every time. Hack 17. Slice soft cheese without sticking. Use dental floss to cut through soft cheeses like brie or goat cheese. It's clean, smooth, and much easier than using a knife. Hack 18. Soften butter. Quickly. Need soft butter fast? Grate it with a cheese grater. It warms up almost instantly. Hack 19. Keep potatoes from sprouting. Store potatoes with apples. The natural gases in apples help stop the potatoes from growing unwanted sprouts. Hack 20. Save a burnt pan if something burns. Fill the pan with water and a few tablespoons of baking soda. Simmer it for 10 minutes. Scrubbing becomes much easier. Hack 21. Easily peel boiled eggs. Add a teaspoon of baking soda or vinegar while boiling eggs. The shells come off easily, no more tiny bits left behind. Hack 22. Use a waffle iron for hash browns. Skip the frying pan. Cook hash browns in a waffle maker for crispy edges and no flipping needed. Hack 23. Keep ice cubes crystal clear. Boil the water before freezing it. This removes air bubbles, leaving you with clear and fancy-looking ice. Hack 24. Peel ginger with a spoon. Skip the knife. Scrape ginger with the edge of a spoon. It's faster and wastes less. Hack 25. Tidy cords with toilet rolls. Roll your cables and slide them inside empty toilet paper rolls. Label them and stack neatly. No more tangled messes. Hack 26. DIY tablet stand. Hang a pants hanger upside down from a shelf. Clip your tablet in. It's the perfect hand-free setup for cooking or watching. Hack 27. Stop lid rattling. Place a spoon between the pot and lid. Steam escapes quietly. No more annoying clinking sounds. Hack 28. Thread needles easier. Spray the tip of your thread with hairspray. It stiffens up and slides right through the needle. Hack 29. Tennis ball garage guide. Hang a tennis ball from the ceiling where your windshield touches. When your car tops it, you're parked in the perfect spot. Hack 30. Use bread for broken glass. Press a slice of soft bread over the glass shards. It picks up even the tiniest pieces, quick, easy, and safe. Hack 31. Rubber band jar opener. Can open a tight jar. Wrap a thick rubber band around the lid. It gives extra grip, so you can twist and pop it open with ease. Hack 32. Keep clothes fresh in luggage. Toss a dryer sheet into your suitcase. Your clothes will smell fresh even after long travel days. Hack 33. Chill wine with grapes. Freeze grapes and put them into your wine. It's chilled, not diluted. Hack 34. Stem strawberries. Fast insert a straw through the bottom. The stem comes out easily. Hack 35. Flip pancakes. Easily slide and flip them in one smooth motion. No mess, perfect shape. Hack 36. Desk cable control. Use binder clips to keep cables in place. Tidy and free from tangles. Hack 37. Sock Swiffer. Hack no Swiffer pad. Use a soft sock instead. Reusable and great at picking up dust. Hack 38. Clean headlights with toothpaste. Scrub the headlight with toothpaste, then rinse off. They'll look like new again. Hack 39. Paperclip phone stand. Bend a large paperclip into shape. It becomes a handy phone stand anywhere you go. Hack 40. Keep boots upright. Cut pool noodles into shapes that fit your boots. No more slouching. Hack 41. Citrus air freshener. Fill an orange peel with baking soda. It's fresh and natural. Hack 42. Barbecue sauce organizer. Use an egg carton to store your sauces. No more spilled bottles. Hack 43. Sponge ice pack. Freeze a damp sponge in a Ziploc bag. Soft, reusable, and easy to clean. Hack 44. Tape edge finder. Attach a bread tag to the end of a tape roll. You can instantly find the edge. Hack 45. Sharpen scissors. Fast cut folded aluminum foil a few times. They'll be sharp again without any tools. Hack 46. Bottle cap bag sealer. Cut a bottle cap. Slide the bag through and screw the cap on. You get a strong airtight seal. Hack 47. Color code keys. Paint each key with nail polish. It's easy to tell them apart. Hack 48. Open jars with gloves. Wear rubber gloves to get a better grip. Twist and pop the jar open easily. Hack 49. Clean shower head. Wrap the shower head in vinegar and leave it overnight. Rinse it in the morning for a fresh shine. Hack 50. Dry wet shoes. Fill them with newspaper. They'll be dry by morning with no bad smell.